This is a document from Ichitaro, the most popular Japanese word processor. Microsoft Word cannot open it. You need the specific viewer from JustSystems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the link. A quick heads up. I've saved my most powerful JTD troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround, for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. The underlying technology places the JTD firmly in the document file collection. It is recognized across all platforms using the Ichitaro Document standard. The JTD file is the proprietary word processing document format native to Ichitaro, Japanese word processor. It holds text, formatting, and layout information tailored specifically for Japanese language typography and document standards. Developed by JustSystems, the format is closed source and focused on complex East Asian language requirements. Due to its dependence on specific local character sets and formatting rules, opening this file reliably on a non-Japanese version of Windows is extremely difficult without the native Ichitaro application. Ichitaro, engineered by JustSystems, is the application of choice for JTD. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows shows only the basics, so tasks like layout or formatting require dedicated tools. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your JTD file and choose Open With. Use Ichitaro if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If you still can't open the JTD file, it's okay. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here's a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, use JustSystems Ichitaro. Open the file using JustSystems Ichitaro or the free JustSystems Ichitaro viewer, as this is the required application. Next, convert to DOCX PDF. Use the Ichitaro viewer or an online converter to export the file as a universal DOCX or PDF. Finally, check for corruption. If the file crashes the program, attempt to open the corresponding .back file if present in the same directory. If the system rejects the JTD file, the tool capable of raw data reconstruction is the correct next solution to try. Finally, the JTD problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you want to solve problems fast, please subscribe. This was the ultimate fix. That utility is the best safety net for your files.